Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Rouge with the 2.0 motor, and we're going to go over how you would check your engine oil and where you would add engine oil on this vehicle. So this is the engine oil dipstick, and the way you check it is you pull it out, wipe it clean, try to have your vehicle on a good level surface to get a better accurate reading. Then you would put it back in and then pull the dipstick out and look, and you want to make sure that your oil is in between these two dots. This one has a dot and a high and a low, and right now we are very much right at the perfect height of oil. So we're good on our oil here, but if you were low, and if you're on that low side of the dot, it's generally a quart to fill it to the top side, just where you want it, and you want to keep it in that operating range in between there. Too high and you can cause other issues to your engine itself. But here's the filler cap for the engine oil. So you're going to turn this counterclockwise to loosen it off, and then you would add your oil right here. You might want to use a funnel and put in the oil, and then when you're done, just put the cap back on, tighten it up, and that's how you would check and add the engine oil to your Nissan Rouge. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.